What's up, guys? This is Will H Tech Review, and I'm back with another video. Today has been a good day. Like my man Ice Cube said on this song, I got the Note 20 Ultra 5G in the house, and also my Google Pixel 4a came in today as well. So even though I have snail mail, it has been a good day. This is the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. I picked up the AT&T version of it. I'll tell you why in a little bit, but here's the box. As you can see, you have a picture of the S Pen here, a little bit of N20 in the back, got a little bit of branding there. This side, you got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. On the back, it tells you what's in the packaging. And then this side, I had to scrape off a big old sticker on there that was showing my phone number, like I don't know my number. But anyway, let's crack into this box and see what we got here. And I haven't bought a new phone in a very long time. And so I ended up picking up two phones, and very much needed. The phones I was using, they're getting old and it's time for them to go. We'll take a look at the phone in a minute. Let's see what's else in the box. And from what I understand, not very much. So I get my SIM card here. You get your charger, which is a 25-watt charger, if I'm not mistaken. Let me check my notes here. Yes, 25-watt charger. And you also get your cable, USB-C cable, and that's it. You got a lot of other empty boxes in here that it looked like something else should have been in the box, but they're not there. So let's move that over, get that out of the way. And here is the device. So I got the clean white, team white. As my man Jay Will says, team white. I like to call it clean white. Let's get these stickers off of it. That's one. Woo, look at that thing, man. Get this other sticker off. All right. And there it is. That is a beauty. Hopefully my lights are not getting in there. And then here's the front of it. And it does have a, I guess I'm gonna leave that on there until I get a screen protector. But there it is. Now this thing is awesome. Look at it. Chrome all the way around, chrome plated, which is stainless steel. And then there's your camera bump. Pretty pronounced. Feels good. It's pretty light in the hand. It's not as heavy as I thought it would be. But you got, let's go over some of the specs on this. So this has 6.9 inch 1440 by 3088 display, 499 ppi. This is a dynamic AMOLED display, 120 refresh rate. Slow down, Will. I know you're excited. 120 refresh rate. Stainless steel frame, like I said. IP68 water and dust resistant. This is running Android 10, One UI 2.0 out the box. This has the Snapdragon 865. Let's go ahead and power it up while I'm reading this. There we go. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, powered by Android. Snapdragon 865 plus processor, 128 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM. You got triple cameras on the back. You got a 50 megapixel wide. You got a 12 megapixel telephoto and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. This can shoot up to 8K at 24 frames per second. You got a 10 megapixel front-facing camera that can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second. They have dual speakers. They have a fingerprint sensor, ultrasonic, 4500 milliamp battery, and it comes in 3 colors. The Mystic White. You can also get the Mystic Bronze and the Mystic Black. So let's go around it. You got your volume up and down. Got your power button on the bottom. You have your Type-C, you have your mic, and you have your speaker, and then you have your almighty S Pen, and it is the same color, and it has that chrome look to it as well, which is nice. And then on this side, it's smooth. They also moved it. And then at the top, you got your SIM card tray and another mic. And then there are those cameras and the camera bump that I was talking about earlier. So yes, sir, this is a big device. I like them big. We're going to talk about my last Note that I had. This is going to be traded in. This is the Note 9 right here. Note 9 has done its job. You can see the size difference here. It's quite a bit taller than the Note 9 and a little bit wider. But if you're coming from the Note 9, it's about time to upgrade. Really love the Note 9. That's why I didn't go to the Note 10. As you can see, the S Pen has been changed. And yeah, so this is going to be a great upgrade for me. AT&T has a program going right now where you can trade in certain devices. If you're an AT&T customer, you can get up to $1,000 off on your trade-in. Only caveat, you have to sign up for the 30-month program to pay it off. But what I normally do is I'll pay on it for a few months, and then I'll just go ahead and drop the cash, pay it off. So let me go ahead and get in, sign up in this. Here's your front-facing camera right there, which is a 10 megapixel camera. And yes, sir, this is looking good. So let me put my information in. We'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in. Hopefully, I've calmed down a little bit. I get hyped up when it comes to this tech stuff, especially new phones. I haven't bought any phones in a long time. Picked up 2 of them at the same time. So this is the screen that you get to when you first get in. I did set up my fingerprint, and as you guys can see, it popped right in. Like I was saying earlier, they moved the S Pen over from that side. I'm right-handed, but when I use my phones, I always use them in my left hand. So the button placement is awesome on here. So far, the big 6.9-inch display is great. Now, I haven't loaded any apps on here at all. And this is the AT&T version. As you can see, you swipe this way, you get the Samsung's daily. Let's see what all they have on here. So got a lot of bloatware, AT&T stuff here, as you guys can see. You got your Google stuff, Microsoft stuff, Samsung stuff here. It looks like it's pretty much it. So the biggest, well, swipe over, you got a few things there. So the biggest thing is this AT&T stuff here, but I did hear that stuff will just randomly pop up on this device. So here's your drop-down menu. I'm quite sure you guys have seen all of this. One of the features that I'm really interested in is the wireless DeX, because I use DeX all the time on my devices. My Note 9 has been used up. It's time for a new device, and here are some of the other stuff that's on here. I'm not going to get into a whole review on this. I'm going to use it for a little while. So here's the complete settings here. Let's see how much storage you get right out of the box on this. I haven't loaded anything up at all. So let's go to storage. So out of the 128, you got 102 available here, which that's pretty sweet. So let's go back to see what this is running on here. About the phone, software information. So 2.5, Android 10, right out the box. And you're on the July 1st security patch. So probably going to be getting a update for that pretty soon. But yeah, man, here it is. I'm going to get this thing set up and try it out for a while and let you guys know what I think about it. Big phone. I have cases already lined up that companies have sent me, and just ready to go, man. Check this thing out. Check the cameras out. Check out just everything about it. So this has been the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.